Hello guys, this is Memphis from LearnTechGh. Today I'll be showing you how to check and fix file system errors on your computer. Your hard disk is more like a human being's brain that needs regular checkup, right? Yeah, so at a certain point in time you will need to check and fix file or system file errors on your computer. Yeah, so this is how you are going to do it. So first of all, you go to your Windows, then you search for command prompt or CMD, then you run it as administrator. Alright, so when this page pops up, what you are going to do is type chk dsk, then hit enter. Now what this is going to do is it is going to check and fix file system errors on your computer. Yeah, now what you have to do is you try as much as possible to do this once or twice every month to check for system file errors, and then you fix them. Yeah, by doing this you are going to ensure that your hard disk is always in good shape. Alright, now don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that we can bring you more videos of this nature. See you guys.